Hello students, welcome to the part 2 video of the lesson. Now let us see how a mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. A large number of Indians developed a feeling that they had a common enemy and they should rebel against them. So, mutiny was faced by the Britishers in 1857. Such a situation developed in the northern parts of India in 1857. After 100 years of conquest and administration, the English East India Company faced a massive rebellion that started in May 1857 and threatened the company's very presence in India. Sepoys mutinied in several places beginning from Meerut, and a large number of people from different sections of society rose up in rebellion. Some regard it as the biggest armed resistance to colonialism in the 19th century anywhere in the world. Let us see how Sepoy mutiny took place. It was on 29th March 1857, a young soldier, Mangal Pandey, was hanged to death for attacking his officers in Barakpur. Some days later, some sepoys of the regiment at Meerut refused to do the army drill using the new cartridges, which were suspected of being coated with the fat of cows and pigs. 85 sepoys were dismissed from service and sentenced to 10 years in jail for disobeying their officers. This happened on 9th May 1857. On 10th May, the soldiers marched to the jail in Meerut and released the imprisoned sepoys. They attacked and killed British officers. They captured guns and set fire to the buildings and properties of the British and declared war on the Ferengies. The British had not expected this to happen. They thought the disturbance caused by the issue of the cartridges would die down. But Bahadur Shah Zafar's decision to bless the rebellion changed the entire situation. Often, when people see an alternative possibility, they feel inspired. It gave them the courage, hope, confidence to rebel. From Meerut to Delhi, sepoys gathered at Red Fort and proclaimed Bahadur Shah Zafar as their leader. Initially, he was not ready to take part, but finally accepted this. He wrote letters to various kings to organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight against British rule. Many kings and local leaders joined him. The rebellion spread. Nana Sahib gathered forces against Britishers. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of the late Peshwa Baji Rao, who lived near Kanpur, gathered armed forces and expelled the British garrison from the city. He proclaimed himself as the Peshwa. He declared that he was a governor under Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai joined the rebel sepoys and fought the British along with Tantia Tope, the general of Nana Sahib. In Lucknow, Birjes Qadar, the son of the deposed Nawab, Wajid Ali Shah, was proclaimed the new Nawab. It was at this time many leaders came up. Bakht Khan, a soldier from Berai, took charge of a large force of fighters who came to Delhi. He became a key military leader of the rebellion. In Bihar, an old zamindar, Kanwar Singh, joined the rebel sepoys and battled with the British for many months. Leaders and fighters from across the land joined the fight.